It's a 2011 Acura RDX. This RDX provides the room and safety you need with the aggressive styling, power, and efficiency you crave. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports RDX offers an excellent balance of feel and composure while keeping body roll in check. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.